Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're back playing Pick a Sim. This is one of my favorite flight simulators. I've already made a video on it before, but today we are going to find a plane like the Extra 3D. I accidentally clicked on flatland. I was going for cliff, but that's alright. Alright, so once it's loaded, we need to go to scenery, wind speed 1,000,000, wind bearing 1,000,000, and turbulence amount. We can put that there. So today we will have planes against very high winds. Immediately the wind just carries us like immediately, guys. You guys can hear the intense wind sounds. Come on, just fly. Oh, what's wrong? What is literally wrong? Why is there like a glider over there? Is this multiplayer? How is it multiplayer then? Because this is not indeed. Let's just let the wind carry the plane a little, and then we might. Oh, okay. Yeah. Ah, it's so intense. This is why I wanted to choose cliff, because the cliff it just immediately carries the plane away. Okay, so let me just go try where. Yeah. Okay, there we go. So now we're on my favorite map, which is the cliff. I don't know why, but I just love the cliff map. So immediately, as you already know, the wind just carries us. And now we are no longer in control of our plane. I mean, we can still control it, but we are literally sideways. I can't see anything now. Can't see what's in front of me. Yes, I can, but I can barely see. Stop. No! Oh! We landed in the water. Let's try a new plane now. Now we're trying, let's see. The Electric Kato. The Electric Kato was the glider that I saw meanwhile trying to handle the intense wind. So yeah, let's see if the Kato is good, because I don't know, man. What is okay? Initialize wind. Okay, here we go. Oh, the Kato, yeah, the Kato's pretty good. Immediately we get carried away by the wind, okay. Like all the planes will probably do some What if we turn off the throttle? Will the glider still be carried by the wind? Yeah, okay, this is very bad. I don't know how that bot or scenery thing manages to fly the Kato in this wind. But that's basically impossible, man. Yeah. New plane. Are you kidding me? My battery's low. Oh well. Guess I'll charge it meanwhile I'm going to record the video. So right now I'm just going to charge my phone. Alright guys, I am back. I charged my phone. Now what? The F-18. I literally love the F-18. E. Let's try E. You'll see what E is. Yes, yeah, it automatically is windy. The turbulence is kind of a lot. Yes, go. Oh! Ah! So much turbulence. We're down the turbulence. Woo. Okay, this is actually not that bad, man. If this was what the conditions of American pilots flying F-18s, because F-18s are American. I know that other countries have F-18s, but since F-18 is America, Americans are just going to say that if this is what the American pilots have to go through, this intense wind, then I'm going to be shocked how they managed to do this. So yeah, sadly we can't fire the guns like what I said in my last Picasso video. And it's actually okay, it's not that bad, man. Okay, we're about to fall now. Apparently no. Stop. Okay. Let me quickly just save this. I need to... Can I? Oh. I know that I misspelled turbulence, but please, it's okay. Anyways, guys, this is the end of the video. Bye-bye.